Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. I am grinning from ear to ear, super excited. My Paris mission is complete. Today, the best thing ever happened. I got the bag of my dreams. Without further ado, guys, I wanted to open these accessories that I got yesterday. And let's start with the smallest one. If you guys do like Hermes, do leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Let's open the first item, guys. And I got these at the actual store in Rue Faubourg in Hermes, the main store. So this is the first item, and this is the drawstring dust bag here, and this is what it is. It's the holder for the twilly. And then you can put it on your arm, make a bracelet. So I got 3 of them in the gold hardware. And then for the twilly, I think this is one. No, the twilly is, this is empty. So I think that one is on the bag. So this is the twilly here. And I got 2 of the same one. This color is so beautiful. Very pretty blue. You guys know I love blues, so this is it. And I'm not gonna try to put it on and anything. I'm just gonna unbox everything so you guys can see it, so we can get through this video. And then the second item, or yeah, third item. Voila. Let's see what it is. And this is your lip bracelet, articulate. It's the jointed bracelet in this beautiful color. The color is blue turquoise. Oh, it does match that bag. Whew, wow. And I love the way it opens, better than this you know, the click ash, and the way it closes with ease. This is it, guys. So beautiful. The color I could not pass up. I was looking for like a blue jean color. I've been obsessed with that, so this is like the closest I could find to it. So beautiful. I'm so happy I got this to add to my little collection. Wow. I'm gonna just leave it on, actually. Let's leave it on. And that was that. And then the final, what is heavy? This is about weighing a ton right here. Wow, this is funny. Come on, open up, sesame. Oh, the perfumes, the travel size and the perfumes. And they go through the colors, see the first one here is the twilly, the Hermes. And I ended up getting 2 of those because I thought they would be great for traveling. Oh, it's so beautiful. I recommend this one, guys. Twilly, the Hermes, so beautiful. Oh, and it is a 15mm spray. Great for traveling, great for gifts. If you want to get your friend a gift for birthday, oh, it's amazing. So I got 2 of those same ones. And then the second flavor or fragrance is what's the name of this one? It is Cedar Sambac Cedar. I think this is the woodsy one. Oh, this is sexy. This is like your man can wear it, you can wear it. Very nice. So Cedar Sambac, very nice. I actually just now got into these Hermes sprays. I've never really, this is the first ones I've gotten, and I say they're great for travel or for gifts. So this is just a list of them in this little flyer here. I was looking to see if I see the notes, so I'll let you guys know. Wow, it smells so good. I don't know. I'm gonna leave this part for now because it's gonna take too much time for me to fiddle through this, and I don't want to bore y'all to tears. The next, or the last one I should say, is Viviet Tonka. I don't know if I pronounce that right. I don't have the French in me. Oh, that's yummy. It's very light and airy. Oh, so beautiful. So that is my Hermes unboxing, guys. If you did like this video, thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at LIFEFASHTASARI. Bye for now. See you guys later.